Okay, so I gotta pop out the chat just in case. Okay, so today, here's what the project looks like so far. Whoa, lag. Why is it lagging so much? Because I'm on stream. Alright, so here's how the project looks so far. Added this glider, which is pretty cool. With the like blowing in the wind effect is done with the fisheye and whirl effects. So that looks pretty cool. And I also made it so these items finally point in the direction of their actual aiming spot. So as you can see, the toaster is constantly pointing to that red dot. So that's great. I changed the sun a little bit. Now it looks pretty good. And the last thing I did is change these buildings a little bit. So they have these like diamond rooftops on them, sort of. So you can kind of see where you're supposed to jump and land, which is great. Oh yeah, oh welcome to the stream X0N9. Congratulations, you got a new phone, great. I honestly don't use my phone that much. I'm only on the computer recently. Because you can't really make scratch projects or play scratch projects on the phone. And, so my phone's not very new or cutting edge or expensive. Just got like a budget phone. Okay, so today, what I'd like to do is split these, get these, not houses, like buildings or towers, into a new sprite. And then we're going to make a setup, or we're going to make a system that I planned out on paper, where basically if you run into a house, like if there's a house on screen, then if there's a house on screen, then it will create those clones to display the house in a lot of detail. And then when you get far away from it, it'll delete those clones and turn into a like a single texture. So that's the plan for today. I might only be able to stream for like, I don't know, some amount of time. Okay, so let's welcome Suadion o Incluido to the stream. Lock a memory. Share from like Breath of the Wild. I have to find the picture and like go to the location and suddenly remember it. Be funny. I really don't like the memory system was cool in Breath of the Wild, but then in Tears of the Kingdom they kind of brought it back for no reason. Okay, so actually I could put it in here, in this houses sprite. Yeah, let's put it in the houses sprite. This sprite I imported from the 2D version of the game because I wanted this stuff. You remember someone like that? No, I'm not sure what you mean. Okay, so we're gonna put these in here. Can I just drag in the entire folder? Oh, I can't. Okay, so I have to drag in each individual costume. Oh, and it'll automatically make the folder in there because of the costume names. Yeah, I got rid of. I didn't decide to use this. It's gonna be multiplayer. Yes, it's gonna have cloud multiplayer. Right now, it doesn't. Oh, you can actually look up the project on my sub account. Stu Weaver host tour video browser? No, I never. I would never do something like that. Programming stress must be painful sometimes. Yeah, I mean, like probably especially for real programmers, that want to use certain functions and techniques all the time. Although maybe not. Well, I don't know. Like, making advanced games is maybe really hard for Scratch beginners, but also like real programmers. So, because you have to use a lot of different techniques in Scratch to like make the game run fast and stuff. But I don't know. And yeah, also, you know what? The idea of making text programming was really a good idea because it gives you so much flexibility with writing your code. And the blocks are actually really annoying and restrictive. So apparently something like this exists, like a text editor for Scratch where you can just type and then import the file and it'll work in Scratch. But apparently that's pretty old. Oh, house tour in Minecraft. Yes, I remember. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining the stream. Yeah, that was really fun. I remember that. Oh, I did. Wait, I do have two unlisted videos of the house tour. Yeah, I can link them actually. Let me get them real quick. And then I'll link them in the chat. Where are my videos? Studio. I do have those house tour videos. If you want to see them. Oh wow, my previous stream, the Wazo TV stream, got blocked in some regions because of copyrighted music. That must be the music that he used in the project. Dang it. Okay. Okay, wait, which server house tour do you want to see? Is it the cracked user browser enemy house tour mansion we did? Australian. Yes, I have it. Okay, now hopefully you can see. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Can I copy the? There we go. Okay, can you see that link? Yes, I have that. And also have a house tour of the Betacraft official server with the other huge mansion. But that's the Bungie server one. It's only like 5 minutes. Wait, what does my sign say? Did I not put the link to the video? Wait, can you edit that sign? Or like put a sign near the house? Or I don't know if you can. I don't know. Hey, welcome mashed potato to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Oh, the video's only like 5 minutes long, so it's not that much. Not appear on the video. I might have mentioned your name once. I don't remember. Alright, bye X0N9. Well, thanks for dropping by. Okay, so, I don't need this. So, houses. So, objects, we're gonna just copy these scripts. So, I'm gonna build the bridge and finishing place on the server. Yeah, that bridge looked great. Like, I think that house that I built and that we built, those things were like the first things in that area. And then gradually more and more people started coming. But then apparently there was like some huge town like on the other side of the map that like one guy was making. That was great. Water texture for this. Oh, hey, welcome. Thank you so much for drawing that. Wait, do you want me to say your Scratch username? Like, is there a reason you're using a different name? that water texture is so great, and thank you for all the support with that game. Really, it was amazing. Thank you so much. Excuse me. And object house wall one. Yeah, I guess we want this. Add hitbox. I don't know if we need this or not. I don't know if we need this or not. Don't need that. Tick. Okay, yes, we do need this. Hey, well, welcome Stark 10 Code to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, remember Dave? He would just keep stealing stuff and like put the chests in the house and stuff. That's funny. Sadly, I can't. Oh, I see. Actually, some people were able to change their Scratch username, but it's really, really rare. Oh, thank you so much, Usuario. Mobile now? No, I'm on. I'm still on my laptop. I would like to make this game mobile. I'm not sure. Like the controls are just. I guess even if the controls are pretty bad, it would just make people feel good or feel happy that they can participate in the game. Although it might not even load. Like, games with a lot of code are fine to load on mobile, but with a lot of costumes, that's where it gets problematic. So what am I doing? Oh, bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining the stream. Usuario. Brazil, nice. And thank you so much. I'm not joining the Betacraft server anymore. But like if you want to play the online Minecraft remakes on Scratch, that would be cool. Okay, what am I doing? Wait, did I copy this code? Yes. No, I didn't. I forgot. Lag. It's so laggy. Progress on this game looks great. Thank you. I hope it eventually can get finished. I really do. Okay, so we're not gonna do the towers anymore. And I hope I didn't accidentally put it in the wrong. Oh, here's a tip. Don't attach your comments, like these comments, to the thing. Like, don't do this. No, sorry. Don't do this. Like, don't attach the comment to the block, because this can cause a lot of glitches and like scrolling issues. So just leave the comment like this, like separated, and put it nearby, like this. And don't use these comment blocks too often. Like, I used to put them everywhere, but then I realized that it's probably not a good idea. Like, especially in like these long repeat loops, like it would be really horrible to put it in like here. Whoops. No. Okay. Like, this would be like the worst place to put it, because this repeat loop is happening like 50 times, and then inside another 10 times repeat, 30 times repeat loop, and then inside like a 100 times repeat loop. So this block will get running like thousands of times. So don't put that there. Just leave the essentials only. Average Turbo Warp. Yeah, I'm using Turbo Warp right now. But I noticed that it's kind of lagging a lot, and that I'd rather, I should probably be editing in the Scratch project. But the reason why I'm doing it in Turbo Warp is because, number one, you can edit it offline, and number two, I don't want to be editing the project and cause it to break while people are trying to play it. So, yeah. Welcome, Boris Russell Russell to the stream. Hello. Okay, so house. Tell. Oh, you can change your. You can change. I don't know if clicking settings gonna do anything. You can change the color of it, I think. Oh no, this is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, we're gonna take this out. No. Can I delete this block? Take 3D. Okay. So delete this. No, delete this one. No! Okay. Delete this. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, that can be problematic. Oh, I use dynamic mode, so when it turns nighttime in the real world, it'll switch to dark mode. Okay, so what are we doing here? Okay, we don't do that. You know what? I probably should have made a new sprite and done this from scratch, because now this is gonna be like a nightmare to edit. Oh, welcome Umochi to the stream. Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't want to break the project. That's the thing. Like, I don't want to accidentally break it. Break the Splatoon project. Like, I probably should. There's so many improvements that I've made to the cloud engine since sharing Splatoon. I probably should edit it. Okay, here we go. First, get rid of all this stuff. This stuff that I don't need. This is roof 1. Okay, we need that. I don't need the grass. I'm just getting rid of all the stuff we don't need for this sprite. It's a ton faster without most maps. Without, what do you mean without most maps? Okay, we don't need this, 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 or this. Just hide icon, stop the script. Oh, this, wait, is cloned to 0. So this engine was based on the Green Flash's engine. The Green Flash's 3D engine. But it's like I'm adding a lot of things to it. And changing a lot of things. Like the control sprite is completely changed. And a lot of the sprites are completely changed. This I found is a really good way to add, and you just end up taking things from a lot of different projects, like, but it's not exactly the same. Like, this movement script was similar to the one that, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Gen, this guy. He made some really cool 3D projects. His cube platformer uses these movement scripts, like similar to it, but not exactly the same. So I borrowed that, put it in, and then borrowed some other stuff. So like, it's like a whole combination of a bunch of other stuff, and then eventually becomes like your own version of it, like to suit whatever needs you need, like the timings and the delta time. Like eventually I just use these in all my projects, and I've actually created a list of like a whole bunch of like random little scratch tips, like this is how to make a good FPS counter and delta time, and then how to make timings right, and then how to do layering, and how to make this pause script. The pause script is basically if you press P, then it pauses. Press P to unpause. But if you press O, it also pauses. Then you press O, and it goes frame by frame. So one frame at a time. And that's pretty useful. And all that is done in just this one script here. And the sounds engine is really good. So you just do this. You just put the name of the sound you want. And then the second one is the volume. And if you want to delete the sound, then you can put X. And that'll come in here. And if it's X, then it'll just create another clone, set volume to 0, and then start the same sound. So basically, Scratch doesn't allow you to play two sounds, the same sound twice. So if I play this sound and then play it again, it will stop the first sound. So it'll just create another clone, set volume to 0, and then start the sound. So by doing that, it like stops the original sound, which is really cool. Oh yeah, it's also similar to Splatoon, but it's much more compact. Like, look at this. It used to be like twice the size. Now I made a lot of improvements. So yeah, everything just gets improved over time. What am I doing? This is the problem. Like sometimes I do streams just without chat and only music. And that tries to help me actually focus on making it. Because I think doing it on stream is a good way to hold myself accountable. Because like I don't want to waste a ton of time on the stream. Okay, so this is fine. Right, so the system, we have house data. Yeah, house data. So when we do the setup, add all these house datas, but we're gonna add the center, create a single clone. Yeah. House data. Zero, zero. How are we gonna do this? I'm just trying to think. This is another problem with doing something on stream, is that there's a lot of like just time where I'm just staring at the code or just thinking in my head about how to make something, and then it's really boring for the viewers. I don't do these streams for the purpose of like entertaining people, because like I think most people find it boring. The main reason I do the streams is just so I have like a recording of the process of making it. So add house data. Also, I'm sorry, I'm sniffling. I have like a cold or something. X center, Y center, Z center. Make this single clone. And then create house clones. Number. Let's just try it and see if it works. Okay, so we're not doing this. Okay, get rid of this. Delete this. So when you add a house, set house number. I think I'm gonna put some music on, like just some peaceful music. Some Tears of the Kingdom music. Hopefully no ads. Okay, good. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Okay. First time. Wait, no. First time. Alright, thanks for joining, Mashed Potato. Thank you so much. See you around. What do I do with this? Alright, we'll just try this. Name, number. First time. X center. Y center. Oh, hello, Maki. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Right now I'm trying to figure out how to make the houses. Like they were, I mean, like not how, like buildings. I just call them houses for some reason. Like they were working before, but now I'm trying to make them into a new system where they only get rendered in full detail if you get close to them. And if you step far away from them, then they just switch to one costume. Okay, so tower T1. No. This one. First time 1. Yeah, this is gonna be confusing Oh, have you seen this? Here, I'll put the buildings back just so you can see it. Oh my gosh, why is it lagging so much? This is crazy. I shouldn't use Turbo Warp anymore. This lag is insane. Oh, my laptop is dying. Alright, let me put this back. What is going on with the lag? I might just end the stream because this lag is unbearable. And I don't think it was like this like 10 minutes ago. What is going on? I just want to show... I'm just trying to show you the game. Okay, here we go. Ah, it's laggy so much. No, this is, I'm using the desktop application for Turbo Warp. And it actually seems like it's lagging more than Scratch. Like on the website, which is really weird. I like to use Turbo Warp because I don't want to edit the project while people are trying to play it. You know, I don't want it to appear broken and stuff. Oh, really? Okay, maybe it'll get a little bit better now that I plugged it in. Yes, this is how the game looks so far. So first of all, it's gonna take like a long time to develop it into a full game. So I want to like first get the houses working, get the players working. Like I want to make a system where if you step far away from the house, it turns into just a single costume. So that'll help with like reducing the amount of clones and stuff. And then same thing for the players. Like if you get far away from a player, then it'll turn into a single costume, or it'll only like fully render 3 players at once, because each player has 6 clones, like the skin, 2 eyes, mouth, item, and the shadow. So that's way too much. So if I just make it so only 3 of them get rendered at a time, and then if a 4th one comes on, it only renders the skin, then I think that'll be good. So I do those 2 things, then add some more stuff like the shooting and other stuff. Like just simple, like no complicated game modes or anything. Just make it so you can attack other people. And then just share that on Scratch as some kind of 3D lobby or something. I think people would like that. And then eventually, if it looks like it can be really good, then I'll develop it into a full game, like a Fortnite style game. So that's the plan. Oh yeah, this did get a little bit less laggy. Maybe it was the battery issue. Okay, let's put this back. And this is another trick that I like to use. Just keep like an if-else block, and then if you want something to run, then you put it in the else part. And if you want to like make it not run, but just keep it just in case. Like I don't want to delete these blocks. I just want to keep them. Keep them nearby. Just put it in the else part, the if part, excuse me. So if makes it not run, and else makes it run. So I don't want it to run, so I put in the if. I have a name for this game. Yeah, it's probably gonna be Toast 3D. Like I'm gonna make a series of Toast games, I think. Like you've seen the 2D game, the top-down game. That can be like Toast. That can be just the regular Toast. And then there could be Toast 2.5D. And then Toast 2D would be like a platformer style. And then this can be Toast 3D. And then I'd make a trailer for like the whole series or something. So that'd be pretty cool. So right now I'm trying to make this system for the houses and stuff. But this is going to be confusing. So create house clones number. That should be the only thing that's needed, right? Set house number to that. No, we'll just do this. Okay, so we get rid of this block. And just edit this block. Because a new block left. Yeah, I heard about that. And I don't really want to get that extension again. So I think I'm just gonna let the project die. Unless, like, is there a... I don't know. Wait, is it possible for you, you to edit it and fix it? I don't know. Like, I don't want to get the extension again and like, I don't know what's going on. Like, why is it? I don't know. And I feel like, well, most of the, like, for projects on regular Scratch, it's fine. Like, if you don't have Block Live installed, then it's fine. It looks normal. Yeah, but I don't want to install that extension again. You know, I could just reshare the project. Like, just make it into a new project. Because it doesn't matter. Like, I could do that. Yeah, maybe I should do that. No, I just don't want to get the extension again, because, you know, it's concerning. Play sound name. Like, I just feel like most people still don't have Block Live. So, it's fine for them to see it. And for the people that have Block Live, well, unfortunately, you know. Hey, I could just put a note in the project about that. Like, if you have Block Live, then just look at a remix instead. Yeah, I should probably do that. Could do that right now before I forget. Oh, welcome Crazy Chicken to the stream. Now I just gotta find an unchanged remix of the project. Okay, here's an unchanged remix. Yes, that's an extension. No, wrong wait, no, that was right, I think. Okay, I made the thing. Okay, I changed the description of the project and edited it. Web was like IO games? No, I don't know how to do that, I'm sorry. I assume it probably takes some money to set up the domain and stuff. Oh, well, apparently somebody commented, Beaver, welcome to the stream, if you're watching. And anybody else who's watching, thank you very much for watching. Okay. Add house. Still laggy. T1. X center. $200. No, not Y center. Z center. $550, $450. What? Oh, that's why. So -500. And 200 plus 300 is 500. And 450 plus 300 is 750. Doesn't sound right. Okay. Alright, thanks for joining the stream, Mashed Potato. Alright, thanks for joining, Umotsi. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream because I'm not making much progress.